Stop scrolling for a second, this is for you. If you're in your 20s and you feel tired all the time, distracted, behind in life, and low-key guilty because you know you're wasting time, I get it. You plan big goals at night and procrastinate all day. Your phone eats hours, motivation disappears, and you start wondering what's wrong with you. The truth is, you're not lazy or broken, you're overwhelmed. Your brain is overloaded with constant stimulation. And science shows that when dopamine is hijacked by scrolling and instant rewards, focus and drive drop. That's why simple tasks feel hard. The fix isn't trying harder, it's simplifying. Start with your mornings, because if you lose the first hour, you lose the day. Don't grab your phone for the first 30 minutes. Drink water, make your bed. Sit quietly, and choose one priority for the day, just one. Momentum beats motivation every time. In the afternoon, stop fighting procrastination and start shrinking tasks. Tell yourself you'll work for just 10 minutes. Starting is the hardest part, and action creates motivation, not the other way around. Evenings matter too, rest is healthy, but escaping every night drains your future. Do one small productive action before relaxing, read 5 pages. Revise notes, journal, or plan tomorrow. It changes how you see yourself. And hear this clearly, you're not late, you're not weak, and you're not behind. Your 20s aren't for perfection, they're for direction. One focused hour a day compounds faster than years of dreaming. If you feel lost, you're not alone, but you are responsible for the next step. Write one goal for the next 30 days. Choose one habit that supports it. And start tomorrow imperfectly. Your future self is begging you not to quit. Don't waste your 20s scrolling, doubting, and waiting. Build, learn, and move forward. If this helped you, like the video so more people see it, and share it with someone who needs this right now.